go back to Bihar. In Bihar, JDU, BJP. JDU is getting more seats than BJP. Dr. Verma, we thought that the BJP will be the dominant partner, but JDU in terms of number is still doing better than BJP. Does it retain its hold?
I think so, and that's why the reason probably that Narendra Modi decided to have a tie-up with Nitish Kumar, and that was a very smart move. Had that not been done, things would have been very, very different and difficult for BJP in Bihar. So, I mean, Nitish Kumar has been doing, good work in Bihar, and it is that's why it to brush aside. Of course, the RJD has come in a big way through the young leader. But at the same time, the government has done some good work, and that's why the results in favor of JDU.
Do you still give simple majority to Bharatiya Janata Party?
Absolutely. I still do think, I stand by my word that I think we are still seeing early trends. They're very volatile. Things are changing. They will. Of course, we can contest the fact that the numbers that were shown by the exit poll usually, and normally they're a little enthusiastic, and maybe they were this time as well. But, I think this is not a problem that they are going to have to form the government. And I think, we maybe are giving too much of credit to the India Alliance as well, because for them to have some sort of cohesive understanding is finally going to be difficult. It's not going to be that easy. So I don't think we should make a judgment just now, I think.
But I think, honestly, Rami, with due respect, I think right now, as Karthik has been saying, it is about the survival of the opposition, which has been gasping for air.
Correct.
The very fact that this is a revival, if the Congress party today crosses the 3-digit mark, its best, performance in a decade.